We're gonna check out these blood orange oranges. They're blood orange inside. Check them out. So we're gonna cut a couple of them open and let you look inside. All right, these is what the oranges look like. Tomorrow it's almost the 1st of February. Today is January the 30th. So I've been picking these things the last couple of months. I didn't know they was blood orange until I cut one open. So let's cut one open and see what it looks like. Wow, look at that. Squeeze the juice. Make me a blood orange margarita today. Oh, these things sweet. Well, let's peel one. Man, these things good. It's the best orange I ever tasted. At the seeds. You can plant these. I'll plant a couple of them. Some good eating. Man, these things are great with margaritas. Perfect. So you can go to Papacitos. I think sometimes they have those blood orange margaritas. Those things are good. All right. So this is right at the end of January. So I'm thinking maybe another couple of weeks. All right, they're ready right now. All right. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.